This is Jalbab Arabic dress. Very huge demands. Huge viral dresses. This is all for dresses. Handmade work. Supplying Dubai. And this is abayas. This huge demand abaya. This is for Umrah Hajj abaya white collection. And this is viral abaya. I did thousands of abaya this. Huge viral, huge demand in Instagram, YouTube, many more places. There is inner also and shirt also and scarf also. You will get from here custom order, ready stock and custom order both we have. All trending abaya we did. Everyday new collections we provide, and we have shipping worldwide also as well. We are supplying mostly USA, UK, Germany, Dubai, Libya, Somalia, many countries as well. This also huge demand abaya. Every abaya you will get brand logo, tag, each and everything. Fabric made in Korea. We have Zoom fabric. We have Nida. We have TikTok. We have matte fabric. We have velvet fabric. We have velvet embroidery fabric as well. We have many more. As per your requirement, we will do the abayas. Or roll now. Many designs trending we have as well. And this is new collection fabric, matte fabric. Other color है इसमें. This one we have more than 50 colors. Now Eid special fabric for Eid. Huge demand this fabric. We are supplying even fabric also. We are supplying abaya also. We are collaboration with Abaya business also. Bulk order, wholesale order. We have to take worldwide shipping. Thank you.